Happy fall, y'all. It's another shopping day for me, picking up what needs to be picked up and doing the things that I need to do to take care of me. Let's go shopping at Kroger. It's liquor. Yeah, it's lemonade. You want one? You don't like lemonade. Mama, stop saying that. This is woman owned, 15% alcohol. Uh-huh. Woman owned, we gotta support women. I wonder, do you mix it with something? You just put a straw in it and drink it. I think I have everything I need. I've got some ham, I've got some turkey, but I think I froze the meal prepped thin sliced onions. Oh, Kitty K, what are you doing? But it's okay. I have some of this 12 grain bread from Louis Bake Shop. These are the half loaves. I love that for small families of one or two or so. If you don't eat a lot of bread on a normal basis like I do. So that's why, another reason why I just enjoy having a sandwich sometimes. Just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm also using some Hellmann's light mayonnaise just to cut 60% calories, 60% less calories and fat than mayonnaise. I don't taste the difference myself. Some people, I guess if you're a mayonnaise connoisseur, maybe you do. But it works for me. This is some Black Forest ham from Kroger, and also from Kroger some oven roasted turkey breast. Check out my mega September grocery haul to see what else I picked up. I'm ready for this sandwich for lunch. Y'all can see me fixing the sandwich. This is just a Great Value brand. It's sliced mild cheddar slices. Drop in the comments and let me know what you're having for lunch today. We have a lunch where I don't have to heat up the house. Don't have to do as many dishes. So this works for me. I just had an urge to start my first fall simmer pot. So here it goes. 2 cinnamon sticks. A dash of nutmeg. Some sliced apples. Any variety will do. Sliced oranges. A splash of lemon juice, or squeeze some lemon juice from a fresh lemon into this, and bam, fall simmer pot is in full effect. I'm gonna put the lid on it so that it can heat up quickly. But then if you want the aromas to go throughout your home, friends, you gotta take the lid off. So don't forget to take the lid off so that the aromas can go throughout your home. Y'all look, 0 sugar Shirley Temples from 7-Up. Y'all, don't you just love a Shirley Temple? Wow, just get you an ice cold glass of ice and then put that 7-Up Shirley Temple on it, y'all. Oh my God, amazing. And don't forget the Canada Dry Cranberry Ginger Ales, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I'm stocking up for the whole January through March, April. I'm stocking up. I am stocking up. Now, these drinks go bad really fast now, much faster than they did when we were children, or maybe we didn't notice. But yeah, I'm going to have this stuff for a few months, y'all. All of my holiday gatherings, this is what I'm serving. Ryle, Tito's. And it's right here. Yeah. I bought some of these trip ham pieces. These are the biscuit slices, but this is what I'm going to put in the collards. And I'll put one of these bags in the collards, and then I'll just save one for beans or red beans and rice, anything like that. These were on sale. I love these. It's antioxidant blend. It's broccoli, carrots, sweet peppers, and olive oil and a garlic herb sauce. It's very lightly sauced. You won't even know it's sauced at all. And I add this to anything. If I need to have some vegetables, I just steam these. And it says it's 2 servings, and it is. To me, it's 2 servings. And I like those. So I'll just have these in the freezer, and they're on sale this week at Kroger or Fred Meyer. And that reminds me, how do you prefer to do fall vibes and Halloween decor? Does this witch scare you, or is she kind of cute? There's something for everyone just in time for Halloween. So get out there, have some fun, enjoy. Or do you prefer the darker side of Halloween? There's something out there for you too. Get out there, get into it, have fun.